Hi, welcome to our channel. This is our most popular RF microneedle professional machine in beauty salons. This machine has 3 modes: face mode, body mode, and cold. And it has 2 handles. This is RF microneedle professional handle. This is ice hammer. Now we clean the screen. Before using, we need adjust the parameters according to customer's skin situation and feelings. This is ice hammer. Now we will introduce how to install the machine. These are the cartridges of the RF microneedle machine. This is 10 pins, 25 pins, 64 pins, and nano pins. Now we install the pins to the handle. Watch out the slots. Make sure it's tightly. And then install the bracket tube. Insert to the holes. Connect another one. This is okay. And then put it on the hanging rack. This is green color. Correspond this green color jack. Insert it. Now, we install the ice hammer. Put it on the hanging rack. Insert it and screw it. Machine installation is finished. Clean the client's skin first, then apply anesthetic about 30 minutes. Sterilize skin before treatment. Use serum or other products after disinfection. Apply evenly. Grip the handle close to your skin. Hold your finger down on the start button, then press the button to start. Fixed point operation, then moving from grid to grid. The whole face can be operated 2 to 3 times, and the parts with large pores can be operated more than once. The whole face operation should be over in about 20 to 30 minutes. Complete the operation. Use an ice hammer for sedative repair. Use an ice hammer for sedative repair about 10 to 15 minutes. Then apply a medical mask for about 20 minutes.